The video that you're watching now is a section that was pulled from a much larger video where I talked about a lot of different accessories for the Ace Pro, but I want to highlight this piece of tech in particular because it's very, very impressive. It is a microphone that literally held up in tornado level winds. So this thing sticking out of the side of my Ace Pro here is the microphone adapter, and this is useful for somebody like me who lives by a lake like this, especially in the winter time, the colder months. Today everything is super windy, so an external microphone is a must. I can't show you the external microphone that I use because I'm actually using it on this camera right now, so I'll throw some B-roll over. It's a Sennheiser. I don't remember the exact number, but again, I'm going to throw the part number right here so you can see what mic I use. What I like about this mic is that it is super easy to block out wind noise. It's actually designed for being a shotgun mic that is designed to mitigate wind noise and keep it at a minimum. And today is really windy, so it's a must for this video. Okay, so it is very windy out here at the lake today, and you're listening to the built-in mic of the Insta360 Ace Pro. I'm in the shelter house now, but I'm going to step out there in the wind and you're going to hear how windy this is. And then I'm going to plug in the Sennheiser shotgun microphone so you can hear the difference. So we're going to go out there right now. Okay, it's extremely windy as it normally is this time of year out here at the lake. This is kind of an extreme situation, an extreme example, but this is the built-in microphone of the Insta360 Ace Pro. I doubt if you can hear me at all as it stands right now, but yeah, the wind is just kind of ripping through here, and this, I would assume, is going to be unusable audio in any other situation. Now I'm going to plug in the Sennheiser shotgun mic and we're going to listen to what kind of difference it makes. Okay, now I've got the Sennheiser shotgun microphone plugged in, and this is what it's going to sound like with the Insta360 Ace Pro as the wind is ripping across the lake. Mic check 1 2 3, mic check 1 2 3. I do have the dead cat on the Sennheiser mic now too to help mitigate some of the wind. Supposedly this microphone is built to deal with wind even without the dead cat, but I'm going to take the dead cat off now and we're going to give it a listen to see what it sounds like. Okay, so now I've got the dead cat off. Mic check 1 2 3, mic check 1 2 3 4. This is what the Sennheiser microphone sounds like with the Insta360 Ace Pro and its microphone adapter. Again, we're out here on the lake. Wind is just tearing through here. This is an extreme situation. I would assume that for the most part this audio is going to be unusable even with the Sennheiser microphone. So little did I know that when I recorded that audio that a actual tornado was on its way through the area. So the winds that you were hearing in that microphone check were literal precursors to a tornado that was coming. And when I say literal, I do mean a literal tornado, not a figurative one. So if you want to check out the rest of the video, it's just footage of that tornado and its aftermath. So I think that the microphone in question did a really good job under those circumstances. So good job, Sennheiser. Stop recording. Stop recording.